Hi, today we'll be unboxing this Zoom H1n Recorder and showing you some features it has, and also we'll be doing some test comparisons with my Takstar microphone, which I am recording it with right now. So let's open it up right here and pull it out. And right here, first thing you see is some quick guides and other stuff. And then right here is two AAA batteries. And then right here is the actual recorder. Slide it out like that. Sit there right there. And the recorder looks pretty nice. It has a little LCD screen right here and then a little quick dial right here. And then here's the two AAA batteries, and we'll pop off the back cover like that and install them like that. And then just slide it back on like that. And then right here you just hold this power button right here to turn it on. And then when it's on, it'll show this screen right here, so you just hit like that and select a year, and you go next right here and then select the month, and then the day, and then the time in seconds, and then to press OK you just hit record and it'll say done. And then right here it says no SD card, so what we'll do is open the slot up right here and get an SD card and slide it in like that. And then close it up right there, and then it reads that there's an SD card, and then you're ready to record. So right here's the hour number and minutes and seconds you have to record. Okay, now I'll go through all the modes. So right here is the audio mode, so you just hit that and do the record format you want it, and I will keep it at 48K 24-bit. And right here is a low cut filter, and I will keep it at 80 Hertz right there. And right here is a limiter, so if you talk extra loud or whatever, it'll keep it from peaking above 0. And right here is the auto level, so I'm just going to keep that off. And then right here on the option button you hit that, and here's auto record, and I will keep that on off right now. And then right here is a pre-record, so it will record 3 seconds before you press the record button and after. And right here is self timer, and it'll do that, so say it'll do 5 seconds after you press record, it'll start recording, and I'll keep that off. And right here is the sound mark, on or off, so if you have it on, it'll make a peak in the audio when you press record and when you stop it. And so that's all for that right there. And just to press record, all you have to do is just hit that right there, and it'll start recording right there, and you can see it. And then to stop it, all you have to do is just hit that again, and it'll stop. And then to play back what you just recorded, all you have to do is hit this button right here, and it'll start playing it back, and then you can adjust the volume right here, go up and down. And then to pause it, you just hit this one right here, and then right here is a mark button right there. You just hit that and I'll add a mark in the audio track, and right here is just the info of the recorded track. And then right here you can repeat all of the tracks or just one. And right here there's a bunch of modes, so you can adjust the playback speed like twice as fast. And then right here there's a different sound effects right there. And then right here's a trim. You can trim where in the track you want it to play. And just to go back, you just hit right there. And then to fast forward and go back in the track, you just hold down these and then go forward. And then to go back home to the home screen, all you have to do is just hit that right there. To delete selected tracks, you just go right there and hit down this delete button right there, and then go up and hit delete right there. And then say you press record right here and you don't want any of the buttons to be pressed, you can go right here and go to settings and just press hold right there, and then go back here, and then none of the buttons will do anything if you press it. And then to disable, you just push that back right there, and then you can stop recording like there. Also, if you want continuous battery life, you just plug in a USB cable right there, and it'll act as like a battery pack. And right here is a line input, so you can hook like a labial microphone right there. And right here is a line out, so you can have like headphones right there. Okay, now that I showed you all these features, I also got some filters and muffs. So this one can be safe for the outside in the wind, and then this one just for like indoors like this. And then I also have this tripod I'm going to mount this on, and then I'm going to do some test comparisons with my Takstar microphone. So I have the Zoom H1n right here and the Takstar right here, and right now I'm recording with the Takstar microphone, and now I'm going to switch to the Zoom H1 microphone, or Zoom H1n, and then as you can tell there's a big difference, and so I'm going to switch back to the Takstar, and then back to the Zoom H1n. So you can obviously tell a difference of all of them. So right now I'm recording with the Takstar microphone, and I'm going to switch to the Zoom H1 microphone. And right here on the front you can adjust the gain dial so I get quieter or louder. I'm not sure how loud I am right now. So right now I'm recording with the Takstar microphone going straight to the camera. And also what you can also do is unplug it right here. Now you can use this shotgun mic as the recorder instead of using this one, and all you have to do is just have it plugged in through your line in port, and then instead of having it always tied to your camera. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and
see you next time.